Have you ever wondered how the smallest animals can bring about such valuable products? One of them is the mink, a creature with soft, shiny fur that has become a symbol of luxury and elegance in the high-end fashion industry. Mink fur is not only beautiful, it also has excellent insulating properties, making it the ideal material for luxurious clothing. Every year, over 50 million minks are raised to harvest their fur, creating an industry worth up to $8 billion. It might be hard to believe, but this is one of nature's wonders, where a small creature can generate such massive profit. But it's not just mink that creates miracles. Let's explore another small yet fascinating animal that contributes to the creation of something truly special, the civet. Not only is this animal an important part of the ecosystem, but it also plays a crucial role in producing the most expensive coffee in the world, kopi luwak. This coffee is made from beans that have been eaten, digested, and excreted by civets. This process creates a unique and special flavor that no other coffee can compare to. Kopi luwak is valuable not just because of its unique taste but also because of the complex and costly production process. What's even more interesting is that did you know that producing these coffee beans requires special care for each civet by the farmers? The civets must be fed quality coffee cherries, and after consuming them, they pass out beans that have undergone a special transformation. This digestion process is what makes the coffee so different from any other, giving it its distinct flavor. What's even more interesting is that did you know that producing these coffee beans requires special care for each civet by the farmers? The civets must be fed quality coffee cherries, and after consuming them, they pass out beans that have undergone a special transformation. This digestion process is what makes the coffee so different from any other, giving it its distinct flavor. Let's continue our journey to discover more of the wonders that nature has given us, and you'll be amazed by the fascinating stories that each animal brings. During their growth stage, civets are carefully tended to by farmers, receiving meticulous attention at every step to ensure their health and proper development. Their diet is a crucial part of this process, especially during their maturation. To achieve optimal growth, civets are provided with a large amount of finely ground fish, which can total several tons. This diet ensures they develop healthily and reach the maturity necessary for the next phase of production. After around 8 months, dedicated care and nurturing, farmers are ready to harvest the fruits of their hard work. This marks a significant moment when the civets are ready for a specialized process that not everyone may be aware of. The process requires patience and an understanding of how these animals respond to their environment. At this stage, in order to harvest their fur or other products, farmers use specific methods to render the civets unconscious before beginning the harvest. This step is essential to ensure that the civets do not suffer pain or distress during the procedure. Applying this method helps minimize the animal's struggle and stress, ensuring that they remain calm throughout the process, while also maintaining the quality of their fur for luxury fashion products. The civet fur can be bleached to remove its natural color, or alternatively, it can be dyed into various other vibrant shades. This process allows for a wide range of aesthetic possibilities, from the soft natural hues to more striking, customized colors. To ensure the fur receives even treatment, a rotating drum is used. This mechanism helps the chemicals penetrate each layer of skin and fur uniformly. It reduces the natural stiffness of the fur, making it smoother and more refined, ready for use in luxury fashion products. The precise chemical treatment ensures that the fur maintains its premium quality and texture throughout. Once the fur has been treated, the next critical step is labeling. Labeling plays a crucial role in product identification, providing consumers with important details about the fur's origin and quality. It verifies the authenticity of the product and gives consumers confidence in what they're purchasing. To protect the quality of the fur during storage and shipping, the fibers are carefully rolled or arranged in an orderly manner before being placed into packaging. This attention to detail ensures that the fur remains in perfect condition, ready to be transformed into exquisite fashion items that meet the highest standards. Labeling is a fundamental aspect of product identification that goes beyond just providing basic information. It serves as a transparent bridge between the product and the consumer. When done properly, labels offer a wealth of knowledge, allowing customers to understand not only what they are purchasing but also the quality and origins behind it. In today's market, where consumers are increasingly aware and conscientious of their purchases, proper labeling has become a vital tool for building trust and ensuring that products live up to their advertised promises. It assures the buyer that they are getting a high-quality item made with attention to detail and care, and helps establish credibility for the brand. By the time the fur reaches the packaging stage, every effort has been made to ensure that it is in perfect condition, ready to be showcased as a premium product that reflects quality and craftsmanship. Through these steps, both the consumer and the industry benefit, as the product's value is enhanced by the meticulous attention to detail in both labeling and handling. In addition to the use of their fur to make luxurious coats, civets play a vital role in the production of another highly sought-after and unique commodity, civet coffee. This fascinating and intricate process begins with the careful harvesting of ripe coffee cherries from the trees. These cherries are hand-picked at their peak ripeness, a crucial step to ensure that the beans will have the perfect balance of flavor when processed. Once harvested, the cherries go through a thorough washing process to remove any dirt, dust, or other impurities that may be present. This ensures that the cherries are clean and of the highest quality, setting the stage for the next part of the process. The washing also removes the outer layers of fruit, allowing only the purest beans to remain, free from any contaminants that could affect the final product. But the magic truly happens after the cherries are eaten by civets. The civets consume the cherries and, during their digestive process, the beans undergo a remarkable transformation. The beans pass through the civet's digestive system, where the natural enzymes and stomach acids interact with them, altering their chemical composition. This fermentation process, which is key to the distinct flavor profile of civet coffee, is what gives the beans their smooth, mellow taste with complex undertones. Once the beans are excreted by the civets, they are collected by farmers, thoroughly washed again to remove any remaining traces of the digestive process, and then dried in the sun. At this stage, the beans are carefully inspected to ensure that they are free from any imperfections. After drying, the beans are roasted at precise temperatures to bring out their full range of flavors, resulting in a cup of coffee that is known for its rich, smooth taste and a remarkable aroma that is like no other. What makes civet coffee even more remarkable is its rarity and the careful labor required to produce it. Only a small quantity of civet coffee is produced each year, making it one of the most expensive coffees in the world. Its distinctive flavor and the unique journey the beans go through in the civet's digestive system create a product unlike any other on the market, sought after by coffee connoisseurs around the globe. So, from the harvest of ripe cherries to the final roasting of the beans, the production of civet coffee is a labor-intensive and delicate process that requires immense care and attention. It's a fascinating blend of nature's wonders and human ingenuity, resulting in a coffee that embodies the extraordinary qualities of the animals that contribute to its creation. To address these concerns, farms need to adopt more humane farming practices that prioritize the civet's well-being. These humane models ensure that civets live in a more natural environment, reducing the stress and health issues they face when kept in captivity for production. It's crucial that the industry shift towards more sustainable and ethical practices to balance both human demand and animal welfare. The exceptional growth rate of bamboo, compared to traditional timber, is truly striking. Bamboo requires only 5 to 7 years to mature, whereas conventional trees take anywhere from 30 to 100 years. This rapid growth makes bamboo an incredibly sustainable resource for construction and other industries. In fact, just 1 acre of bamboo can be used to build a 1,000 square foot house, compared to the 12 acres of forest required to build the same sized house with traditional timber. This makes bamboo not only an environmentally friendly material, but also an efficient and practical alternative to conventional timber. This method not only conserves labor, but is also highly effective in rugged mountainous terrain, where operating machinery can be difficult or even impossible. Bamboo harvesting is no easy task, especially when it comes to transporting the bamboo from the forest to the base of the mountain. the terrain presents many challenges, making the process of harvesting and transporting the bamboo physically demanding and requiring skilled labor. Despite the difficulties, the benefits of bamboo in such challenging environments cannot be overstated. The flexibility and adaptability of bamboo as a resource make it the ideal material for regions where traditional timber might be harder to source. As the world moves towards greener and more sustainable living practices, bamboo products are becoming increasingly popular due to their eco-friendliness and high utility. Bamboo, with its fast growth rate and renewability, serves as a prime example of a sustainable material that can be harnessed for a wide variety of products. One notable use of bamboo is in disposable chopsticks, which have become an excellent alternative to plastic or other single-use chopsticks. Bamboo chopsticks are not only a safe option for human health, but they also contribute to the protection of our planet. By choosing bamboo over plastic, we are making a conscious choice to reduce waste and protect the environment. After shaping, the bamboo chopsticks are washed in an anti-mold solution to enhance their durability and prevent bacteria and mold growth. This step is crucial to ensure the longevity of the chopsticks, as well as their safety for consumers. Once they've been treated, the chopsticks are placed in a drying kiln for sterilization, ensuring that they are hygienic and safe before being packaged. This process helps maintain the highest standards of cleanliness and safety, making bamboo chopsticks a reliable and eco-friendly choice. The shaping process doesn't end with chopsticks. Bamboo can be transformed into a variety of other useful and aesthetic products. For example, the bamboo spoon shaping press uses high temperature and pressure to mold the material into beautifully crafted spoons. This process allows the bamboo to take on a smooth, polished finish, making the spoons both practical and visually appealing. The versatility of bamboo allows it to be used in numerous other products, including bamboo forks, which serve as another eco-friendly alternative to plastic utensils. These bamboo forks not only offer convenience, but also contribute to sustainability, making them a perfect addition to any eco-conscious kitchen. In addition to spoons and forks, bamboo straws have emerged as one of the best eco-friendly alternatives to plastic straws. Each year, millions of plastic straws flood the world, contributing significantly to environmental pollution. Bamboo straws provide a sustainable and biodegradable solution to this growing problem. They can be used just like plastic straws, decompose naturally, leaving no harmful waste behind. By choosing bamboo straws, we make a small but important choice to help protect our environment and reduce our reliance on harmful single-use plastics. Bamboo absorbs CO2 efficiently, helping to reduce the greenhouse effect when used as a substitute for other building materials. The ability of bamboo to absorb carbon dioxide makes it a crucial player in mitigating climate change. When bamboo is used in construction or as a replacement for other materials, it not only reduces the reliance on timber, but also helps in lowering the overall carbon footprint of buildings. Bamboo, with its natural ability to capture and store carbon, contributes to a healthier, more sustainable environment. By integrating bamboo into construction projects, we can reduce the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and help slow down the progress of global warming. What makes bamboo even more remarkable is its efficiency in growth. Unlike traditional timber, which takes decades or even centuries to mature, bamboo grows rapidly and can be harvested in just a few years. This makes it a viable and environmentally friendly alternative to other construction materials, such as wood and steel, which are more resource-intensive and have a higher carbon footprint. In addition to its role in construction, bamboo is also a valuable natural resource in the paper industry. Bamboo has long fibers and easily recyclable cellulose, making it an excellent material for paper production. By using bamboo instead of trees, we can significantly reduce the pressure on forests, which are essential for maintaining biodiversity and supporting ecosystems. This shift also contributes to environmental protection, as bamboo can be harvested sustainably without damaging natural habitats. With bamboo's rapid growth rate, it replenishes quickly, reducing the need to clear-cut forests and helping to preserve valuable natural resources for future generations. Using bamboo for paper production not only provides an alternative to traditional wood-based paper, it also has a smaller environmental impact. Bamboo requires fewer chemicals during the manufacturing process and uses less water compared to conventional paper production methods. Moreover, the fibers of bamboo can be easily recycled, which reduces waste and promotes a circular economy. Bamboo's rapid renewability and versatility make it an invaluable resource for a wide range of industries. It's used in the production of furniture, textiles, flooring, and even eco-friendly packaging materials. As awareness of bamboo's sustainability grows, we can expect more industries who adopt it as a primary material, further reducing the strain on the planet's natural resources. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and delve deeper into how bamboo factories work, you can explore our next videos. We will take you behind the scenes to see how bamboo is harvested, processed, and transformed into a wide range of products that are contributing to a more sustainable world.